Deloitte के consulting interview में पूछा गया था ये guesstimate. Let's solve it together. The question is estimate the number of ACs sold in India every year. So we will start with the population of India 1.4 billion and we will only consider the residential units of AC. So we will divide India into urban and rural. So 30% urban, 70% rural. So we get around 420 million in urban India and 980 million in rural India. We will consider average person per household. Suppose 4 people per house. So approximate number of houses in urban India we get as 105 million and here we get approximately 245 million. So AC penetration, let's consider 40% of the houses in urban India will have AC and approximately 5% in rural India will have AC. So we get 40% of 105, which is 10.5 into 4 is around 42 million, and 245 5% is 24.5 divided by 2, which is 12.25. For convenience, let's consider it as 12.5 million. So number of ACs per house. So suppose 2 in urban India and per house in rural India, 1 AC per house in rural India. So we will have total number of AC 42 into 2, which is 84 million ACs in urban India and 12.5 million ACs in rural India. Now this is the total number of ACs existing. So for sale of ACs every year, we will consider it as new plus replacement of ACs. So replacement tenure, suppose every AC needs to be replaced in say 10 years. So in 10 years, you need to replace 100% of the ACs, which means in 1 year you need to replace 10% of the ACs. So ACs replaced every year will be 10% of this, which is 96.5 million, 10% of this. Let's consider that approximately as 9.6 million, and for new ACs you can consider that as 5% growth in the existing ACs every year, which is also a rational estimate considering the economy growth as well. So 5% of 96.5, so or you can do this by 2, which is 4.8 million. So total number of ACs sold every year will be 9.6 plus 4.8, which is 14.4 million. So all the data that I've written in red need not be accurate. What is more important is everything that is written in black, because that shows a structured problem solving process, and there can be various assumptions as well, a lot of which I've mentioned in the caption too. Do share this with your friends who are aspiring for consulting roles.